Welcome to the Solar Tax Max certification course. My name is Anthony Matthew, and I couldn't be more excited for you to understand how to maximize these solar incentives so you can start lowering the cost of solar for homeowners and start increasing your closing ratios in this high interest rate environment. Now, the first thing I want you to understand is that I don't need you to become a tax expert. That's what we do at our tax consulting firm. We have a whole team of tax attorneys and CPAs that have sifted through the tax code to maximize these solar incentives for homeowners, well in addition to the 30% investment tax credit. Okay, all I need you to do is focus on this course material for the next hour, pass the course, gain access to the Solar Tax Max calculator, and start winning more sales. From here, we're gonna win big with solar together. So let's get started on our journey.